What's up, everybody? It's me, Janet LaCava here, wearing my awesome Andrew x2 shirt. I don't know how well you can see the back, but that's where the Andrews signed it when I met them before VidCon. What I'm doing here today is I was given stickers by Team Andrew, and I said I was going to put my car here, and that's exactly what I'm going to try to do today. And I hope you can hear me. There's a lot of wind going on. Some of this clear cover cloth stuff that I'm going to be putting over the stickers in hopes that it won't come off. But we shall see. I'm really not quite sure how this shit works. Hooray! Hooray for not knowing things. Wow, and the instructions are in another friggin' language. Where's the English? Prepare la superficie. Where is the English translation, you fuckers? This is not cool. Well, okay. Let's just go ahead and get started. Or in my case, get retarded. Okay. My first plan here is to put stickers over parts of my car that are fucked up. I'm sure you probably can't see, but right here, going all the way down to here, some asshole keyed my car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting Andrew stickers over where they keyed my car. That's where I'm going to start. So I'm going to start putting a couple of them on the gas cap. Again, I sure hope you can see me. And I'm going to put some right over here. I'll put Andrew's pants right there. And I'll put Gunrua's Canadian beer thing right here. This is going to be so much fun. Seriously, this is going to be so much fun. I wish it wasn't something else. I'm not sure how long this is going to take me to do this, but we shall see, indeed. I'm not even sure. I may not even use this, because I'm not even sure how to put that on top. But I wanted to at least get some video of putting the stickers in my car. And once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to grab the camera and give you guys a nice close-up look as to what's going on with this. So at least I can actually say I've gotten started on the process here of putting these. Unfortunately, I didn't get 104 stickers. I only got 100 stickers. So either way, it's still okay. It don't matter to me. So I'm just gonna keep on trucking, if you will. And as you can see, I got into a little fender bender. You know, I'm sure, I don't know how well you can see it from here, but it looks pretty bad, and I think Team Andrew will in fact make the damage look a little bit cooler. The one thing about their stickers, they're nice and bright and colorful and all that fun stuff. I'm having some trouble getting some of these stickers off the thing. So let's see, so far 4 times 3, so far I've put 12 stickers on so far. And I've got a long way to go here. So again, I'm hoping I can fast forward through a lot of this process. Because again, I really don't know how long this is going to take me to do. And I'm not even done with one side of my car, because I figure I'm at least going to be putting, 50 stickers on each side of my car. And I'm not even 1/5 of the way there yet. Because I figure 4 times 10 would be 40. And I've only gone through maybe four sheets thus far. So let me see. I've gone through 2, yeah, this one will be my 5th. So wow, that actually is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 stickers on here thus far. 50 on each side, or as close to it as I can. But like I said, the first thing I wanted to do was to cover up the fact that someone keyed my car. So I wanted to cover up the best I watching this, Andrews. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again, and whatnot. It'll really truly be a good time, you know. I definitely had an amazing time last year hanging out with you guys, running into you randomly. It was amazing, and just the fact that I had just seen you guys right beforehand. I mean 4 times 9. 4 times 9. Oh my god. 4 times 9. I can't do math. Wait, what am I worrying about math for? I have a calculator on my phone. I am so smart like that. Wow, and I've got tweets and Facebook shit and all kinds of retarded shit. Let me see here. Where's my calculator? Calculator, where are you? And my neighbors probably all think I'm on crack because I'm out here talking to myself. Okay, let's see. Calculator. 4 times 9 equal 36. That's 36 Andrew stickers on my car thus far. Just on this side alone. And I feel like I'm primarily dominating toward the back here, so I think I'm going to start putting more of them up here toward the front. So I'm going to move the camera a little bit. Like I said, I'm hoping you can see that, but I'm going to try to angle it a little more toward this way so you can see me putting them on the front here. Okay. Hey guys, me here. I'm not sure what happened, but I think my video cut out. I'm not sure why, but here I am. I'm putting Team Andrew stickers on my car. In case my other video didn't go through, I'm going to go ahead and show you the ones I put on thus far. So far, these are the stickers. I have 48 stickers, 48 Team Andrew stickers on this side of my car thus far. So, and I of course put 4 right up there on the top. And right now what I'm doing is I'm putting some on the back, on the bumper. So I'm going to try to get this a little closer up so you can see, because my goal was to put a total of, I have 100 stickers in total in my pack. So I was going to put 48 on one side of my car, 48 on the other, and then for the last 4, those were going to go on my bumper here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put those right down over here, down here on the bottom. Again, I don't know what quite happened. I had started recording when I was putting the stickers on, and somehow it turned off. I'm not sure why it turned off, but in any case, I'm going to try my damnedest to keep running back to check on the camera to make sure it doesn't shut off again while I'm doing this. Okay, so there's the 4 on the back. There's the 4 on the back here. Don't look at my license plate. Oh, I'm sure you've probably already seen it. Now this part is going to be tricky to do because my tripod is actually going to be in the street, and if a car comes by, I'm going to be kind of screwed. I wonder if there's a way to tilt it forward. I don't think so. I'm just going to have to angle it kind of weird like, because I want to try to keep it out of the street. I wish there was can I make this lower? Let me try that. Lower, going down. Woo! Let's see. Okay, yeah, you may not be able to see what I'm doing so well. Let me try lowering it a little more. Let's get down. Okay, I think that's good. Hopefully you'll at least be able to see what I'm doing here somewhat, as long as the camera does not shut off again. Like I was explaining when I did the other side of my car, I've got a few dings on my car. So I figured cover them with happy Team Andrew stickers. That would be, in fact, the best way to hide them. So, not a big deal. Good times, good times. Team Andrew, gonna rolla. Songs to wear pants too, or Andrew Hong as he prefers to be called now. And it's just been a crazy ass week for me. I've been really sick. Didn't have that great of a weight loss last week, but that's okay. I'm still working as hard as I can to try to lose weight. Let me see if you guys can see this. Let's see. You see that? See my stickers? In fact, I think I'll just do this so that way you guys can see. Because see right down here is where I'm going to be placing more stickers. Right over where the paint is messed up. That's where I'm going to be putting more Team Andrew stickers. Right up over here. And I mean, I have absolutely no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing this. I'm just kind of doing it. Again, just randomly, just sticking it to the man. You know, just randomly sticking it to the man.